Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple, fun, and birthday card using the stamp set Delightful Day. You can see I've made these samples here using these stitched rectangles, but you could easily just use your trimmer to cut the cardstock to the size you want, making this a super simple and quick design with no die cutting or punching. So today we're going to be using Pretty Peacock to create the card, which is one of the 2019 to 2021 In Color collection. Did you know that you can get a stack of 6x6 designer series papers for each of our color families? The sheets all have the same 4 patterns: gingham, diamonds, and this mosaic pattern, and a scripty pattern, and then they come in all the different colors of that collection. And you can get a pack of these for any of our color families, so brights, subtles, neutrals, regals, and the 2 In Color collections. These packs are so affordable at $15.75 each for 40 sheets, and they give you so many awesome options when you're creating your cards and other projects. So the measurements for your card are your card base, which is 6 3/4 inches by 5.5 inches, and that's scored at 4 1/4 inches. And then you'll need a white insert, which is 4 by 5 1/4. A piece of white cardstock, this is 2 1/4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And then a piece of that DSP, which is 2 by 5. And then, as I said, I used the stitched rectangles to cut these pieces out, but you could cut them yourself on your trimmer if you don't have the stitched rectangles. And they measure 2 5/8 by 4 inches, and then 2 1/4 by 3.5 inches. So I'm going to start with my stamping. I'm using this stamp set Delightful Day, which is a great stamp set from the annual catalog. On its own, it costs $19, or you can bundle it with the Delightful Tag Topper Punch and get both for $45. It contains some great sentiments that are perfect for decorating tags, gifts, cards, and other projects. I've got this fun little confetti looking stamp that I'm going to use to decorate the card insert. And that's all the stamping you need to do. And now I'm ready to assemble. And there's my finished card. Remember that you can share the video for a chance to win this card. Comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, my local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website. Everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!